So we have some spooky mail that comes from Jessica, and I am loving, there are these little orange stars like scattered throughout in here. I love those. I don't know where they came from, but I need some of those for next year. So there's so much in here. I don't even know where to start. We got like little pom-poms down here, and you can see the little stars floating in there. We have a little like book right here. Oh my gosh, I just saw that it had a chunky charm. Tons of bags. Ooh, so excited. You guys know how much I love Halloween. I honestly could do Halloween all year. I always say that I want to do like a Halloween video once a month. Maybe next year things won't be so chaotic that I can actually do that, because I would love to do like a Halloween on the 13th of every month. I think that'd be so much fun. Oh my gosh, she actually used wax seals like on the bag. That is so cute. I still haven't done that. I usually do the wax seals on like a silicone mat, and then I glue them onto projects. So I love that you actually pressed it. But now I'm sad that I'm gonna have to break it. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. But oh, I can do it. I got it. Yeah, I got it. That's so cool. Okay, let me open this up. Okay, so here's what was in that bag. Right off the bat, like, I love this, like, box. I love the butterfly and, like, the postage and the moon and everything. Oh, wow. It's the stamps. I didn't realize that this was stamps inside. I only thought it was going to be, like, little ephemera pieces. I've never seen anything like this before. Ooh, look at the details on that moon. Oh my gosh, that is so much fun. I definitely need to do like a background piece with those stamps. Like that could be used all year long, or at least I'm going to use it all year long. Oh my gosh, how cute. Look, there's like sequins stuck to things. And then she actually did candy corn colors for her wax. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so I actually pulled this one out of the bag like this, so I don't know what it is other than black paper. Oh, we have rub-ons. Let me see. There you go. Look it. We have little leaf rub-ons. Ooh, we have more rub-ons. I think these are the Tim Holtz ones, right? Oh, I definitely need to put those on some like glass bottles. Then we have puffy stickers from Dollar Tree. Oh, I don't know where this one's from. Maybe it's a Michaels. Oh, it's thick though. I thought there was two sheets. That's one. And then look at this black wood grain. Can you see that? That's really nice. I love the texture on that. Those are really nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, putting like the gold leaf rub-ons on that wood. That would look really good together. See? That's really nice. Look at her little wax. It actually says Happy Halloween in the cauldron. That's so cute. I'm definitely going to save these bags so I can reuse them. Why have I not seen these? How did I not know that these existed? Oh my gosh, I'm missing out. Where are these from? Maybe I need to go on their website to go find them, because I have not seen these in store anywhere. Oh my gosh, I love this. We love Halloween. We love Disney. We have taken our photo in front of, they have this little pumpkin Mickey at Disneyland, and we take a picture there every year. And it's so cute. And look at Minnie with her little bow. Oh my gosh, I love it. Definitely saving all the little bags that I've been pulling out. Let's see. Oh, here's my card. Right? Is this the card? Oh, that's really cool. I don't know what kind of paper she used for the back part, but it's like textured and all silver. And then look at, there's like spiders, which I love spiders. And then there's like the little jack-o'-lanterns in there. That's really cool. I love that. Oh, look, a little jack-o'-lantern came out right here. So let's see. Oh, she put it on like a sticky note, so that way I could reuse the card if I wanted to. Oh, I like that. How it's just like top and bottom bordered, but the middle is there for you to go ahead and write your little note on. I like that a lot. Let me read my little note. Oh, thank you for everything. I'm so glad that you shared your crafty stash with me. You know, I was really shy for a long time to do a YouTube channel. I wanted to do like a travel channel when Sunny Boy was 10 years old. And just for different reasons, I never did it. And I think I should have done it back then because that's when I was like confident, like, oh, I could do this. And people weren't even getting paid back then. Now, I don't know. Now that I'm older, like, I feel kind of like shy about it, like to like show my face. That's why, you know, doing a crafting channel was like right up my alley because I didn't have to show my face. You know, you guys just see my hands. And yeah, I mean, if it's something you want to do, give it a try, you know. Just give it a try, see how you like it, you know, and then you'll determine if it's for you or not for you. Like, I love it. You know, I love doing my craft channel, where I feel like if I did like a travel channel or a blog channel, that would feel like work, where this doesn't feel like work. This is fun. And this gives me an opportunity to chat with all my crafty family and all my little crafty friends. So as long as you're having fun, I say go for it, you know. I really enjoy it. I've met so many amazing people through YouTube. Like, it was so much more than I ever thought. I just thought like, oh, I'll do a channel so I can share where I'm getting like, you know, sales and clearance and, you know, try to help other people out. And it's been so much more than I've ever dreamed of, you know. So I say give it a shot, you know. Give it a shot. If it's something you think that you would like to do, give it a shot. And like I said, as long as you're having fun, then it's, you know, it's meant to be. Oh my gosh, this little wood ghosty is so cute. Got some nice little like satin ribbon on here. That's really cute. And then like her little wax seal was a little ghosty. I love wax seals. I just pulled out my box like literally yesterday because I'm like, I've been neglecting doing wax seals. I really need to get back into making them because I don't know. It's like something that I could do while watching a movie and I just love doing. Oh, look at the little kitty. This is really pretty. I love the neon. I've been doing those little neon tassels. I'll have to share. I wanted to do it like once a week, like, you know, what me and my mom are creating. And I've just been so busy that I haven't been able to do that. And I think I did it like once or twice. And I definitely want to get back into doing that. So because me and my mom do things all the time. And I just never share because I'm like, okay, where does it fit into showing like in a video? So yeah, I need to get back to like once a week just showing what we're working on because I think you guys would really enjoy it. We have another little cool jack-o'-lantern. These all look like they're from Joann's. So I don't know if Joann's is on sale right now, but I need to run over there before these are gone. And look at this one. It's like part like satin and then the middle has like a glitter strip. That's really, really nice. I like that one. I don't have that ribbon, so that's really great. And then all these like little bags in here, I can definitely save. I've been wanting to do a Halloween junk journal. I know Halloween's over with. Like I said, I just need to craft Halloween all year long. Halloween and Christmas. Oh my gosh, I love this die. Look at, it's so pretty. It says happy right here, Halloween down here. And then the bat is a spider web. So then you go ahead and you lay those on top. This is so, so cute. I think it was last year a Instagram shop had sent me one like this and I just love it. I forgot to pull it out this year. I don't know if it's the same size or not, but yeah, this one is really, really nice. The spider webs get really, really detailed. I cut mine in foam, I believe. And yeah, I loved that die. Let's see. These bags are really nice. Oh, look, like little mini washi tapes. I have a ton of washi tape, but they're all like this size, you know, like these two together. So they're all about that size. So like, I don't have very many washi that are like super thin like this. I think I have maybe like 4 and I want to say like they're like gold. So this is really, really nice. I love this little mini washi. So, so stinking cute. Look at the spider. I love me some spiders. Spiders are like my favorite. Ooh, this one has kind of like a little like metallic to the white. I don't know if you guys can see that. That one's really nice. I'm going to save these bags too. Look how funny. I keep pulling them out upside down. Oh, awesome. She gave me like a card kit. How cool is that? Because I actually do not have this bat die. So that is so cool. Thank you. I love it. I love these bats. I need to get this die. I don't know where it's from, but I need to find out because I love it. Oh, look, a little plane. I'm like, we go on a plane in December, so that'd be great. Oh, look, these can be used for like stencils, for like stencil things. So I got like a little flower, got some money, got some band-aids, got a gift box, a moon, a wagon. I don't even know where these are from. There's like a little van. These are really cool. I don't know where they're from though. Little hearts, champagnes, mittens. Oh my gosh, there's all kinds of stuff. Yeah, all of these are like little like cutouts, see? That's really interesting. I haven't seen those before. Little cars. Oh yeah, like these are also cutouts too. Like a little saw. Oh, fire engine. Oh, I lost a little leaf. That's really cool. I've never seen those before. I love when you guys send me stuff that I've never even seen. Then look, we got little cards. These are blank. That's really cool to get like a little inspiration on how to go ahead and build a card, because I am not good at card making and I do want to try to make cards. Definitely for like Christmas time. Oh, they sent me the little envelopes. Thank you so much for that. Let's see. Oh, there's a couple more things down here. Oh, that's so pretty. It's Dollar Tree rub-ons. I don't think I've ever even seen this one before. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's so pretty. And yeah, I don't think I've seen that one. Oh, this one either. This one looks like for like Valentine's Day. With all the XO and like the little heart with the arrow. These are really pretty. I don't know if these are new or not. They might be new. That might be why I've never even seen them. Oh, I love these. Like vintage. Little postage. Oh, I love that. And look at all these wonderful little stars in there. I'm trying to save all the little stars so I could collect them. And the little spiders and everything. These are really cool. I love those so much. And then the last little item is her little book. Oh my gosh, look at how chunky and amazing this is. We got a broom. Oh, look at the little kitty. Look at that's so cute. The candy corn, clay with the candy corn right there. Then we have like a little moon. Got candy, pumpkin. Look at that. The little moon with the pumpkin. Ooh, I like this one. You see that purple like shifts? That one's really nice. Got a little spider. Oh, I've never seen that spider web. Oh, I like that one. Then we got a little pumpkin. Oh, look, that looks like a little candy. Like the little wrapper with the candy. I like that idea. Might have to use that. Then let's see, more little pumpkins. Spider. Let me move my spiders. Little skeleton. Oh yeah, there was a bat. I'm like, I thought I saw a bat. Ooh, he's cool too. I've never seen him. That's really nice. Look at how long it is. It's the whole spine of the book. I love it. Oh, cute. She did like black in the eyes for spooky season. Then we got Boo. Oh, cute. She did it like the embellishment, or the die cut book swap that I did. The Build Your Stash. That's what it was called. So you got die cuts and then papers. I don't know where she gets this paper from. So it's like textured but metallic. That's amazing. I don't know where that paper's from, but I need it. Ooh, look, the bats are in that same like texture. Oh, look at the little kitty. He's so sweet looking. Ooh, Tim Holtz pieces. More little Tim Holtz like tile pieces, I think he calls them. I love that candy corn too. Wow, this is great. Oh no, I dropped a spider. I'll have to get him later. Oh my gosh, look at that like bingo card back there. Ooh, spider venom. Oh, that's really cool. I don't think I have that. That spider venom. I love that one too. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look, like more Tim Holtz. Oh my gosh, I could totally do like a Tim Holtz Halloween project with everything that's in here. Ooh, is this vellum? Wow. Oh no, it's not. It just, wow, that looked like vellum. I swore it was vellum, like the way it looked, but it's actually printed paper. I was like, where is that from? I've never seen bone vellum, but no, it's printed paper that just looked like it. I would have bet money it was vellum, just the way it's like printed and the way it looks. Oh, like little cutesy Halloween stickers. Beetlejuice. We love that movie. Oh, there's like a Mickey back here. Oh, and another Mickey over here. Oh, where's that die set from? I don't know where this is from. Can you guys see? It's the Mickey with his like face. I don't know where this is from, but I need this die. That is so cute. And look at the little cupcake. Oh, Christmas time. Oh, cute. She sent me the die. Wait, it's different than the one over here. Yeah, this one has the spider webs. I don't have this one with the spider webs in there. Oh my gosh, I love that. See, I'm not ready for Halloween to go. I know we're already in November, but I'm just not ready. I didn't have enough time to play. Happy Halloween with the little pumpkins. Oh my gosh, I don't have that die either. This is just so fun to flip through. And then look at the stickers. I think these are from Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, these little kitties glow in the dark. Ooh, these corner spider webs. I don't have that either. Wow, look at the detail on that. That cut nice. And look at this little spider web too. Oh my gosh, I need to go get this die. That is really, really nice. And that's it. Let me double check. I think I got everything out of the box. Oh my gosh, Jessica, you like blew my mind. Thank you so much for everything. Everything will be very much well loved over here. I love me some Halloween. And thank you to everybody that's watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And let me know, if I did Halloween like once a month, would that be something you guys would even want to watch? Or is it just me that's, you know, always got spooky season on their mind? So let me know. All right, bye guys.